Best deals.
1. Lunchbox. It's microwave safe so you can bake your favorite dish from pasta to lasagna and surprise your loved ones with food more delicious. Made from food-grade borosilicate glass, which is food-safe, BPA-free and does not release chemicals. Airtight and leak-proof to prevent even beverages from spilling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Lint roller. Can easily removes lint, dust, pet hair and snack crumbs from clothes, furniture, sofas, car seat, sheets and carpets. Because of its special material and strong stickiness, lint remover ball can easily remove hair and snacks without damaging any clothes. Made of advanced TPE material with strong macromolecular adhesion. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Organizer. Features an easy pull handle and smooth rolling wheels for effortless access. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Silicone whisk. As a flat whisk, twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Twist can be easily dismantled for cleaning and, after use, can be closed flat for convenient storage in a drawer. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Salad spinner. Interchangeable discs for easy use. Simply insert the required disc into the lathe to switch between slicing, spiralizing, grating, or spinning, making kitchen prep fast and efficient. Versatile set for effortless vegetable prep. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ice cube tray. Stackable design keeps multiple trays organized in the freezer, maximizing storage while maintaining a sleek, premium look. Lid creates a fourth wall in each cavity, forming uniform, premium ice cubes. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spiralizer. Create uniform curly noodles from a variety of vegetables and fruits. Includes coarse and fine spiralizer blades plus rotary grating blade. It has a clear base that collects food as you cut. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cabinet. Perfect under cabinet, pantry, baking station or bar counter. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Utensil set. Each utensil nests securely using integrated magnets in the handles, forming a sleek, space-saving kitchen organizer. A dedicated stand keeps unused utensils upright. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Oil dispenser. Use it to store and pour various cooking oils, such as olive oil, canola oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, sesame oil or more. The controlled spout allows for precise pouring, reducing spills and mess. Dispenser has ergonomically designed body with special nozzle design, pours oil accurately without wastage. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Stool. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. They resist deformation, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Versatile for various settings like living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. The set includes 370 ml, 600 ml, and 1000 ml containers, ideal for lunch, snacks, office meals, and portion-controlled storage. Each container has an airtight, leak-proof lid that keeps food fresh, prevents spills. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hanging baskets. Crafted with high-quality PP plastic, this rack ensures exceptional durability and can handle heavy loads effortlessly without bending or warping over time. Perfect for garages, kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and offices. Store everything from water jars and tools to cleaning supplies and pantry items with ease. The open design and ventilated shelves prevent dust buildup and allow air circulation. Maximize storage in compact areas with its tall, slim profile. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Spice Rack. The rack features a 3-layer design, providing ample space to store a variety of spices and condiments. Made from high-quality plastic, these containers are durable, lightweight, and easy to clean. All parts of this spice rack are easily detachable, which helps for easy cleaning. And spice box pickup from spice rack also very easy. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Paniyaram Pan. Constructed from premium grade cast iron, this pan offers exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution. Cook evenly with a perfect texture and golden brown finish. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cleaning brush. Equipped with durable, non-abrasive bristles that tackle stuck-on food without scratching non-stick pans, delicate crockery, or stainless steel surfaces. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Canister. A perfect organizer for small objects, quite easy to store and take out, such as Q-tip, cotton ball, cotton swab pad, cotton rounds, floss picks, tampon, bath salts, hair tie band, makeup brush, beauty egg, face brush, crayons, candy, pens, clip and more small things. Functional yet decorative, exquisite and transparent. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Divider. Made from non-toxic, odorless plastic, safe for seasonings, condiments, and kitchen essentials. Stays firmly in most fridge or drawer walls without adhesives or hardware for easy use. Perfect for small kitchens, compact living, or maximizing fridge, drawer, and cabinet space. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Massager. Has 3 speed settings options. You can use the scratcher massager for head and neck, as it is designed to imitate human fingers, giving you a relaxing massage. Comes with a magnetic charging base. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Soap dish holder. The detachable feature of this shower soap holder allows it to be disassembled and washed independently, which is more convenient. Use and replace, conserve bathroom space, and keep the bathroom clean and tidy with the waterproof and moisture-proof feature. There are no volatile organic chemicals in this product, making it safe, non-toxic, and easy to use. The soap dish is composed of ABS, which makes it a long-lasting product. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Water dispenser. Get fresh water instantly with just a single press, perfect for kids, adults, and seniors. Built with a 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, it dispenses 5 to 6 full 20L bottles on a single charge. Made with BPA-free, food-grade silicone and high-density ABS plastic to ensure pure and safe drinking water. Comes with a detachable spout for effortless cleaning and maintenance. Fits most standard gallon bottles, making it versatile for home, office, school, or outdoor trips. Delivers smooth water flow without disturbing your environment. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Container. Ideal for storing and serving milk, water, juices, rasam, buttermilk, snacks, gravies, and cooked food. Designed for direct heating and cold storage, allowing cooking, storing, and serving in a single container. Made from food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cleaning set. Perfect set for giving your kitchen and appliances a deep, detailed cleaning. Durable bristles and scraper heads provide a deep clean in hard-to-reach spaces. Loop brush is great for blender blades, mesh screens and juicer parts. Angled brush is ideal for grout lines, fixtures and surfaces. Chisel scraper easily gets into grooves and nooks. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Egg slicer. Effortlessly slices, dices, and wedges hard-boiled eggs and soft fruits for salads, snacks, and garnishes. Sharp and rust-resistant wires provide precise cuts. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cold press slow juicer. Efficient slow juicing technology extracts maximum juice while preserving nutrients, flavor, and aroma from fruits and vegetables. Wide mouth allows whole fruits and veggies to be juiced with minimal prep work, saving time and effort. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Soap dispenser. The base of the tray frame is hollow and leak-proof, which is suitable for storing residual liquid. When cleaning, it is only necessary to remove the storage compartment and pour out the liquid to clean. Very practical, made of high-quality ABS and PC material, which does not easily corrode and rust. The storage box comes with 10 holders that allow you to freely adjust the size of the compartments to store sponges, brushes and other cleaning utensils. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Spoon. Functions both as a spoon for cooking and a ladle for measuring and serving. Perfect for soups, stews, and sauces, it reduces the need for multiple tools in your kitchen spoon set for cooking. With a simple twist of the head, this clever tool transforms from a spoon into a full-sized ladle. Whether you are stirring or serving, this dual-purpose silicone cooking spoon helps cut down on clutter. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Steamer. Designed as a baby food steamer and blender, it works as a puree maker for baby food blender, and mixer for baby food puree, delivering smooth textures with one-touch operation. The Smart Touch LCD panel powers this baby food grinder and small blender for baby food, making it a reliable mini electric cooker for baby food for fast prep at home or away. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Mug. Is extremely lightweight and impact resistant to withstand everyday use. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Cookware. Pan boasts a sturdy, heavy stainless steel body that is suitable for use with all stove types, including induction. Premium 3-ply aluminum encapsulated bottom eliminates hot spots and provides fast, even heat distribution to ensure your eggs are always cooked evenly, so you never have to worry about over or undercooking your eggs. Upgraded, extra thick, tempered glass lid offers a secure, safe fit and lets you monitor your eggs during cooking, while the innovative steam vent locks in the proper amount of moisture, so your eggs are always cooked perfectly and taste even better. Pan that has a PFOA-free non-stick coating from Eggs Benedict to Eggs Sourdough hard-boiled eggs without the shell, egg bits. The easy-to-use Deluxe Egg Poacher Pan lets you prepare up to 4XL, perfectly poached eggs, so you can start your day the right way and enjoy a delicious, healthy breakfast without any hassle. This egg cooker features convenient non-stick cooking surfaces that are polished stainless steel and individual insert cups that can be easily removed, cleaned quickly, or put into the dishwasher, so you can get on with your day and not spend unwanted time cleaning up. Simply remove the insert with the individual poached egg cups, and use this egg poacher as a fry pan for all your cooking needs. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Under bed storage solution. Is made of upgraded metal pipes and breathable non-woven fabric to protect your clothes from dust and moisture. Compared to linen under bed storage which tear easily, a metal under bed storage is more durable and have better load-bearing capacity to meet your long-term storage needs. Under bed storage with wheels feature 2 reinforced handles and 4 360 degrees rotating wheels allow under bed storage containers to slide easily across the floor or carpet. 2 of the wheels have a locking function, and when you need it to stay still, you just gently press the locking mechanism. The front of under bed storage with wheels has large transparent see-through PVC window for quick viewing what are stored inside the container. The 2-way zippers allow it to easily slide along the closure when in use, regardless of how full the bag is. To clean, simply wipe the clothing storage bag with a wet towel gently and air dry. Comes with detailed instructions to make assembly easy. Fit under your bed, sofa, or desk for storing clothes, toys, blankets, books, and other items to reduce clutter in your home. The beautiful design is also for room decor. Organizer is a practical and stylish under-bed storage with wheels solution for maximizing home space. Designed in a fashionable Oxford cloth checkered pattern, this under-bed storage unit fits neatly under most beds, making it ideal for storing clothes, shoes, accessories, and other household essentials while keeping them organized and easy to access. Reinforced with a strong steel frame, this under-bed storage container offers long-lasting performance and reliable support. Unlike ordinary under-bed storage containers, it maintains its shape even when fully loaded, making it perfect for organizing clothing, linens, toys, blankets, and seasonal items. Product link is given in the 30-second link.